life is harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our life tonight. Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a movie, my love. Yeah, when I wake up, I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quality, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart.
Start to sail along these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here. No one else out here. Find ourselves out here. We could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear, yeah. To what we used to, rather than stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. Love being stuck here with you. Here with you. Here with you. We used to, rather than stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. Love being stuck here with you. Here with you. So let's get lost out here. No one else out here. Find ourselves out here. Disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear, yeah. We don't have to go back to what.
Hey, what's up guys, how you guys doing? Today we're here in Atlantic City. I was actually in this area checking out some abandoned locations up here. Obviously I couldn't get into them locations, but I decided to come up here since I was in the area to check out the beach. It's actually the first day of summer, and the beaches on and all that stuff is open. And the boardwalk only got a few stores that's open, and most of the stores are closed. And the stores that is open on the boardwalk is actually only letting a few people actually into the store. You actually have to wait in the line outside just to the next person comes out. Due to this COVID-19 is messing everything up, messing a lot of businesses up, and it's a lot of stuff going on. But I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I just wanted to show you guys what the boardwalk looks like. It's the beginning of June, and yeah, this boardwalk kind of day for being the beginning of the summertime, because it used to be super crowded, especially at this time being the weekend. This place would have been super crowded, the boardwalk. You barely could have walked on the boardwalk. That's how crowded it would have been. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you guys go smash that thumbs up if y'all did. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe, go turn on the notification bell. But I'm about to wrap it up here. See you guys in my next adventures. But peace, guys. I'm about to start making my way back to the car, so I'll see you guys next time.
We start to sail along these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here. No one else out here. Find ourselves out here. Oh, we could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear. Yeah, we don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather than stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever.